And hello there, plamo fans and folks. This is Mix Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And yes, continuing with the SNAA table, the round lines of the table, wherein I'm trying to backtrack some of the releases. Yes, I now have the Soul Spear Lamorak from the SNAA Beyond Exquisite, the Round Table Knights. Yes, so I don't really know all of the knights, but I do know there's a Galahad, a Percival, and Tristan. And this one is the Soul Spear Lamorak. And moving away from, I think, most of what I have seen or what I have now, this guy has red trims instead of the usual gold trims that I have found in the Furious Warhammer Galahad and the Iron City. And yes, as you can see in the box art, there it is, with red trims, with the spear, and off to the side, here it is, it's built. It's built here, and off to the back. As you can see, he does not only have a spear, but also a giant axe. Some things you can do with him, and of course the, what do you call it, the inner frame. So, yeah, something cool with this. And of course, opening up and seeing what's inside the box. It is also, this box is also inside, or rather has another box inside, which for me is actually something good because the parts are extra protected. And they have one bag with two screws, some grays and whites, the usual. It is the iron frame or the inner frame, you can see it. Some parts of the armor, so you can see it. More whites and grays. Still more whites and grays for this one, and here has the grays, and of course the red trimmings for the armor. And of course it has some transfer sheets, and in the transfer sheet is where we see the gold, rather the yellow. And of course the instruction manual, which is again a booklet wherein you can see the box art, and after the back how many screws you have, and the contents of it. So let's take a look individually at each of the screws. First off, we have the A screw. So again, I think the hands are here. Or gray. It has an A1 or an AI screw here. Yep. So grays, some weapons, and I think this is still part of the inner frame for the B screw or gray. C screw contains a darker shade of gray, I guess, for the inner frame still. Same for the D screw here. Here comes for the part of the armor, or rather the trimmings. We have the E screw, which is all red. We have the F screw, which is all white. The G screw is also white here for the armors. Each screw contains some parts for the weapon here, and still white. Some light gray for the I screw here. And lastly, some more grays for the J screw. Right. And of course, I can't forget the transfer sheets. Right. And there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Beyond Exquisite SNAA Soul Spear Lamorak of the Round Table Knights. And this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, leaving a like, on the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.